Welcome to 54/208 Adelaide Terrace. We're on the 6th floor today, a nice balcony view. The building was built in 2014. There is a pool and a gym and an office space on the first floor and facilities there. Let's have a look at unit 54. Nice open living space here. Lots of light. There's your balcony. Got split cycle aircon here and in the bedroom. Space for a dishwasher. Electric appliances. Bedroom number 1. Aircon and built-in robes. Toilet and bathroom and laundry facilities, all internal. And the primary suite here. The primary bedroom. Good amount of space. Split cycle aircon here as well. And we'll just step out into the balcony. Nice view across Perth City.